Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you are all fine and great. Do you know what is the difference between in the end and at the end? If you don't know, don't worry, I explain. At the end. We use at the end when we want to talk about the last part of something. For example, at the end of the movie, the hero dies. Or another example, there is a restaurant at the end of the street. Or we can say we are going to go to London at the end of this month. In the end. We use in the end when we want to talk about the final result or what finally happened. For example, I didn't want to go, but in the end I went. Or another example, we had many problems, but in the end we succeeded. Or another example, in the end she decided to stay. We can say in the end means finally, eventually.